Scotty.
As I'm dripping all over you.
Are you dripping fluid on my leg?
I am, I swear.
Things you fantasized about.
Right, exactly.
Anyway.
Since I've been here for a year.
So this is the master cylinder out of Danny's 54.
Yep.
You can see it has been leaking.
For quite a while.
Yes, and you can see on the booster too. When Bernsey and I get the booster out here in a minute, we will show that as well. But definitely need a master and a booster. This is not safe, no es bueno.
Yeah,
luckily,
exactly.
part number's right here. And
which is really, really good. So what I'm going to do...
That's a pretty standard issue GM master anyway. So let's pull these fittings.
Yep.
Back and tag them.
I'll pull the fittings. I'll wire brush this up so we can actually get a good reading as to what the part number is. Yeah. And we'll kind of go from there. So, Danny, as always, we got you, I promise. Unfortunately, we're finding more and more as we kind of get into it.
But we want it to be right.
Exactly. And we love the car. You know that, Danny. So we got you, buddy. I promise.
We'll get you right. We'll be out today.
All right, so I'm going to go clean this up, and we'll give you guys an updated video in a minute. All right, we'll see you guys.
Seriously moved the brake booster that I'm pulling off. Look.
Yeah, that's absolutely
full of fluid.
Yeah. Yeah, and that's out of the problem is
power booster.
That's out of the vacuum port
of the booster.
The booster.
Yeah.
That's oh my god. I mean, look at that. Seriously, look at that.
But it's funny because it looks like trans fluid or something. Doesn't smell like trans. That smells like brake fluid, huh?
Yeah, that's brake fluid. That's good brake fluid. Don't get me wrong. That means the system's stupid clean.
Did you drain that, Master? Grant, we'll see you.
All right, we'll see you, brother. Be good.
Always good to see you.
Remember, every 8 hours as needed.
Dr. Scotty. Yeah, so that was just for me pulling this down. So
wow.
It's been full of fluid for
quite a while. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love the setup. Whoever
bombs away. That's fine because we're replacing it anyway.
Yeah. I mean,
so here's the push rod.
Amazing. Like legitimately, that's amazing.
Dude.
No. Turn it upside down. Turn it upside down again.
Like that.
Look at this. This is ridiculous.
Out of the brake booster. God.
Wow.
Danny, I don't know how you haven't had an accident, to be honest.
Yeah, I mean, that's... Wow.
Good news
I mean, that's beyond dangerous.
That bracket's nice, though. Look at that.
Oh, hell yeah. I mean, don't get me wrong. I love the quality of what was done. I do. I love the quality of what was done. Dude, look at this. This is coming out of the brake booster.
Oh, that came out of the booster.
The brake booster.
Oh. Holy cow.
Right?
Yeah, oh fuck.
Yeah.
I know we're not supposed to, but guess what? This is an oh fuck moment.
Yeah, still, come on. We gotta clean our act up a little bit.
Nah.
We're not asking for much, just a little bit.
No, I'm good.
Bobby.
Anyway.
Just smooth.
At least there's a part number on it. That means I can... Yeah, that's one of the bolts we had to cut off.
Yeah, but still, look at the coloring on that.
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah, look at that. Woo! But yeah. So
woo!
The last bolt is coming out.
And I'm guessing we probably have about 6
We need to
bolts.
pull this bracket here
Which bracket?
that this goes to. Bernsey.
Is it hooked up to the...
It goes to the frame, but we need to get it out because the cross member is going to be hitting it.
All right, dude. I'll look at it and just...
We got to get that, and then we're done. And then hopefully trans will be out.